Chris Edgar, and I'd like to welcome you to my family farm. It's a beautiful day out, so we're taking one of our tractors into Midwest Machinery in Benson to have it inspected, pick up our big horse and bring him home. I am a fifth generation farmer. I farm with my oldest brother Kirby and my dad Floyd. We farm in west central Minnesota, just south of DeGraff, and wanted to show our operation. Let some of you see what we do. We got relatives on my wife's side and my family side that they're not out here all the time, but they love hearing what we do. And I've been encouraged a few times that we should start a channel and show what we do. So that's what, after 4 or 5 years of watching Zach Johnson and Welker's and Brian's farming videos and Larson's, I'm starting out, try this out, see how it goes. We farm about 2,300 acres. Of that, we have planned for this year, we have 1,200 acres of corn is what we're planning to plant, and we have 600 acres of alfalfa. And for the first time since 2018, since 2018, we'll have about 300 acres of soybeans finally again. We have a bigger family, but my brother and I are the ones that came back, want to continue farming. My second oldest brother, he is a John Deere technician, and he actually works up here at Benson where I'm taking the tractors. He does a lot of work on our tractors. He's doing what he loves to do, and we're glad to have somebody that has access to all this knowledge on these new tractors to help me diagnose and make decisions on what piece of equipment should get an upgrade, when things should be changed on them, and stuff like that. So we're very lucky that way. My sister, she's 6 years older than me. She chose to go with and be an RN, just like a few of my aunts have done in the past, and they've encouraged her, and that's what she chose to do. And then I have a little brother that works at the local grocery store. He's having a good time doing that. Like I said, we raise corn and alfalfa primarily, and now we're starting beans again. We farm on 22-inch row spacing, so we're narrower than, say, Zach and Larson's and Brian. We're 22 inches in our area. That's pretty popular with sugar beets. And at one time we had talked about doing sugar beets way long time ago, and I was just a little tiny fart. So Dad made the change then, and that's what we've stuck with. Along with farming, my old brother Kirby has a channel seed dealership, which keeps him busy and one of our hired hands busy. And then I have two other hired hands helping me out. We got Ben and Matt. We have 2 Matts on the farm. It can get confusing at times. So they're at the shop mostly helping me get things ready and to go, and showing them how to run a few things that they've never run before. Then during the summer and fall, we have trucks and tractors on with a custom harvesting crew that keeps us busy for most of the year, and that's what a lot of our relatives are just like, holy crap, what do you do? I want to see. So hopefully we'll get some footage of that. We got 3 semis that help haul haylage and silage for the local large dairies in our area. And we got a tractor that'll pull a merger. We'll see that at some point. And then during silage, we have both 4-wheel drives are on piles, packing or pulling box scraper, helping build the pile to make silage ferment like it needs to for high quality feed. And then we have another tractor that's been out in the field pulling a forage wagon to help with the group. So we have our group has seven different choppers, and some of them have wagon crew, and the rest of us have been pulling trucks. Some things have been we're making adjustments to and changing on what equipment's going to be used here in the future. So, those are some of the more fun things that hopefully we'll see down the road here. If I can keep up with the videos and actually have some stuff that you guys might enjoy watching that's a little different. So stay tuned.